Hello everyone, very nice to meet you again. This is David from INGCO Products Department. Today I will introduce our INGCO impact drivers to all of you. Impact drivers, like electric drills, are very basic tools. Today, let me share some important facts about this product. Impact drivers are mainly used for screwing. Impact driver or electric drill. An impact driver provides a stronger torsion, capable of screwing faster. In comparison, an electric drill has less torsion, makes it nearly impossible to work with longer screws. Certainly, electric drill has its advantage. By adjusting its gear, we can screw small bits. In addition, impact drivers generally have rotary knock function to tighten screws, but an electric drill doesn't contain such function. Sometimes, when people want to screw tighter, the electric drill users are likely to twist their wrists. A small and short impact driver can screw into a smaller space, meaning it has a wider use than the electric drill. Electric wrench or impact driver. Some people use a 6-angle tab nut to make an impact driver a temporal impact wrench. However, the torsion of the driver is still much lower than a wrench. So if you need to fix a car, we would recommend that you use an electric wrench. What do you need the tool for? To handle construction work or for improvement? Cordless screwdrivers are particularly suitable for furniture assembling because of their high suitability. At the same time, a cordless model is now capable of offering longer life. If you have a backup battery for replacement, it is a good choice.